If you miss Italian food, if you meet a good Italian food, this is a video suitable for you because I am invited to this restaurant called Pastaria Abate to try their new dishes. I'm gonna show you how the restaurant looks like, and then you get to know that what you should order when you come to this restaurant. Okay, so let's go inside and take a look how it looks like. Oh. Hi, good evening. Thank you. Hi, so here it is. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna have for tonight. You can see all the photo actually is the owner's family. So this is a very family recipe restaurant. All the recipe are passed down from the grandma, auntie, the mother, all this, and most of the item they prepare in the restaurant itself. The pizza dough, homemade. The what they call tiramisu, homemade tiramisu is a must order, and then the pasta they cook it so well. They are using this brand of the pasta, and they actually it's okay. They actually collaborate with what they call Dolce Gabbana. This is a very good pasta, which is if you look carefully, the color here of the pasta, it is actually bright yellow. So they are saying that they use natural air dry to dry the pasta, which is tastes different. So for what you really see most of the time, the pasta is like golden or yellowish. It's a very fast way to dry out the pasta. So overall, I would really recommend you to come over to this restaurant to dine. The the mushroom, the pomelo mushroom is very good with beer. And then the what they call one more thing that I like, the focaccia is also very good. And then the pizza is, oh my god, the dough is super good, very tasty. Most of the, like what I say, the most of the gravies are homemade. And I have to see what else I have to share with you. The breadstick is a must try. The breadstick is actually with the cream cheese and garlic. And then what else I have to share with you? My favorite is my favorite pasta is the squid in pasta. Very different. It tastes a little bit sourish, but they did not add lemon in the pasta sauce. So come and try the squid in pasta and check with them what is actually make the pasta sourish. And the favorite pizza I will say is the pizza with the roasted pork. They roast the pork in house. They did not buy the roasted pork elsewhere and then make it on the pizza. And then I will say that the tiramisu is a must order. Pair with some coffee, and you will love it very much. So overall, the dining experience here is very nice, very cozy, a little bit narrow, but it feels like home. So the concept of this restaurant, they actually want to make it like a home food, home cooked restaurant. So you come over here, you feel the warmth of a family. So with that, I hope you like this video. I hope you will come and visit this restaurant and try the food that I recommend, and bring your friend from Italy if they miss the Italian food, and come over here to have a very casual evening with them. Okay, with that, I hope you like this video. Goodbye.